In this video, we're going to go through how to use the check register and some of the features that are available there. So we're going to go to Accounting, Checking, View Register. And the first thing obviously is to select the account that you want to actually view. So we're just going to select Bank 1, and you'll notice that the list down here at the bottom refreshes instantly as soon as we choose that. You'll also notice here that by default, the system is only viewing the last couple weeks of paycheck or of checks or last week or so. So you can change this entry to be whatever date range you want to do. The reason it does that is because it over the course of the system, you're going to have thousands and thousands of checks in the system, and so it's just a way to speed up the process so you're not looking at 500,000 things trying to find one. So you can change either one of these dates to change the date range you're looking at. You can tell it to either sort by the date or by the check number. You can tell it to look at everything. So for example, if I tell it I want to look at everything to Amazon, I just start typing it in, and it starts narrowing down all the pay tos that exist that have that value in it. You can also use the percent sign, where I can use percent as a wild card and look for everything that starts with anything that has ZON on the end of it. So you can get kind of creative there to help you find what you're looking for. You can also search by check number or check amount or both. You can tell it to view only the unreconciled checks, and then obviously select your bank account. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see a list of all of your paid tos or your deposit froms, and selecting on the name of the paid to will open up the actual detail of that particular entry. You'll also notice that you've got down here the view GL hits control. This particular entry tells you what you selected when you wrote the check. This view GL hits will actually show you the detail about that transaction to kind of ensure that everything hit properly. And then anywhere you see these drop-down lists on your GL, they're actual departmental hits for what department got hit on that particular charge. So if you want to void a check, you specify to void the check. So it's fairly easy to do that, and you can also add additional notes to the check. You'll notice that you cannot change the value of the check. Once that check is written, the only real option you have is to void it if you made a mistake, and that just goes along with the paper trail processes that are built into Lizzy to make sure that we always know exactly what sequence of events caused your data to be in whatever state it ends up in. So that's pretty much all there is to the check register and some of the options that you have that you can do there.